Open the card slot cover. This is the back of the memory card. This is the front of the memory card. Insert the front of the memory card into the device. Insert the screw and tighten it. Please plug the wired controller, cameras and USB cable into the corresponding connection ports of the main unit. After connection, please tighten the interface. Then use the USB test cable to check if the recorder function is normal. Use the charger or magnetic voltage to 484 power supply during testing. If the wired controller vibrates during power on, please check if the memory card and cameras are installed properly and functioning properly. Tear off the adhesive tape on one side of the bracket pad. Stick the bracket pad to the bracket. Align the bracket with the bracket hole on the host. Insert the screw piece into the screw. Insert the screw hole. Tighten with a wrench. Then you can use adhesive tape to stick the host inside the motorcycle. Install the shock-absorbing rubber ring onto the camera. Then install the circular bracket onto it. Place the gasket into the base. Insert the metal sheet into the screw for installation. After fixing the bracket with screws, install the nut. Tighten and secure with a wrench. After installing the camera bracket, you can attach it to the appropriate position on the motorcycle with tape. Tighten the screw onto the motorcycle. Fasten the Velcro to the upper and lower sides with screws. Select appropriate gasket according to the handlebar condition. Then fix it with screws.